Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaican-based Express Fitness announced the acquisition of California, USA-based brand Mighty Pilates as part of its wider expansion into the U.S. fitness market. Mighty Pilates is a fitness studio with 8 outlets across the state of California, opening the first studio in San Francisco in 2009. Express Fitness shared its intention to leverage the brand's capital to grow the Pilates studio network to 75 new outlets over the next 3 years. The Bank of Jamaica reports that remittance inflows climbed by 3.1% to US $515 million for January to February of this year when compared with the same period last year. The bank says 72% of this amount came from the USA, nearly 12% from the UK, 8% from Canada, and 7% from the Cayman Islands. Interestingly, other islands experienced remittance growth of 15%, 8.2%, and 0.6%, recorded for El Salvador, Guatemala, and Mexico, respectively. Investors can gear up for passive income from 2 listed companies. Productive Business Solutions Limited, PBS, has declared dividends to the perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shareholders as follows. To the 9.25% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shareholders, a dividend of US $0.23125 per share, and to the 10.5% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shareholders, a dividend of Jamaican $25.89 per share. The dividends are payable on June 30, 2025, to the perpetual cumulative redeemable preference shareholders on June 16, 2025. Next, for passive income, Wisynco Group Limited has advised that the Board of Directors at a meeting scheduled for June 26, 2025 will consider a dividend payment to shareholders. For the trading period ending June 19, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll Road Manager Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,080,878 units traded, representing 23.09% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 1,910,782 units traded, representing 21.20% of market sales volume. Investment firm QWI Investments Limited with 501,500 units traded, representing 5.56% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 19, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $37.96 million purchased and US $39.36 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.98 per dollar, selling the US at $160.61 and buying the US at $158.63. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.66 per transaction, with selling at $119.52 and buying at $112.86. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.65 in profits, with selling at $216.36 and buying at $209.71. For the credit report tip of the day, success leaves clues. And as a founder, your credit score is one of the most powerful clues you can give to potential investors about your commitment, discipline, and vision. If you want to play at the highest level, you've got to master every area of your financial life, including your credit. Don't let a 3-digit number hold you back from building the business and life you deserve. Step up, take massive action, and use your credit score as a launchpad to attract the right investors and create unstoppable momentum for your business. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.